Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your inbox and save some battery life or data, turning off Gmail Sync on your Android device is a simple solution. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable Gmail Sync, so you only receive emails when you want them. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to manage. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of your screen for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and tap on that. A side menu will slide out. From here, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings. Tap on Settings to continue. Now you'll see a list of all the email accounts currently connected to your Gmail app. Select the account you want to adjust by tapping on it. Once you're inside your account settings, scroll down until you find the section called Data Usage. Here, you'll see an option labeled Sync Gmail. By default, this box is checked, meaning your Gmail app is constantly syncing and fetching new emails in the background. To turn off Gmail Sync, simply tap the checkbox next to Sync Gmail so it's no longer marked. That's it. Gmail will stop automatically syncing emails for this account. You won't get new emails or notifications unless you open the app and refresh manually. Disabling sync can be especially useful if you want to reduce background data usage, extend your battery life, or just take a break from constant notifications. If you ever want to turn syncing back on, just repeat these steps and check the Sync Gmail box again. Thanks for following along. Now you have more control over when and how you receive emails on your Android device.